Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Snonchebe and Chebe, 1-1 draw. Thoughts on the game?
Oh, yeah, ne. Kunzima. Ngibona ngathi wonke amabhakani ya give up phile. Like bafila ngathi I lose and I draw si lose. Uyayithatha ileague nge1 point. Uyayithatha ileague ngama goal which is iyo kumele silungise kakhulu yokukora. Sithola ama chance abhaya sahlule ku convert. Iswelele sathola ichance A1 sakora. Nikhumbula uPuli umntanethu. Uyamazi uChina uyabaza bosibisi uyasazi isigodi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Sidliwe player lethu mara singakhala. I draw ingcono than I lose. Ngoba siyakhala ngeSundowns City Sundowns ithathile ileague ithathile ayikadlali nayo. What if nabazofika bame ngedraw or ifike I lose? Asikho sure ukuthi Sundowns izowina. Akusizi ukuthi ubale ukuthi una 3 points ungakadlali. Maye igame yaFandag yeah abe khona ama mistake lapho nalapho which is ucoach kumele asebenze kakhulu ngoba ama favorite man angi like kancane wonke umdlalo odlala iPirates kumele adlale mara kwamanje akusisi isikhathi sokuthi test ama player sekulate siyayazi first 11 yethu bekumele ngalesikhathi sibe siyazi ukuthi okay first 11 yethu uHoto ku3 mhlawumbe usibelebele ku2 or uDino Siyema no Sibisi ku4 and 5 e-center uCash umbatha uTito man coach Tito oh
hey wena uthatha umakhawula phela umakhawula
oh Tito coach yazi uTito man hayi ukuthi asithandi igama lakhe asithandi isibongo sakhe sithanda umsebenzi wakhe
sure
uTito ufike kuPirates wasithola sikhona hayi ukuthi sothi simenzele ifavor sithanda ispan sakhe untwana uTito siyamdinga man uTito siyamdinga and ucoach angayenza ukuthi thina abalandeli sizonda ama player wethu ngoba mazo testa ama player ngalesikhathi like example manje Vandag igame yaVandag umkhiphilo uHoto wafaka undaba imistake bascore ngayo iqhamuka kundaba kuthini kuyu coach even nathi ama supporters so atheka sithi undaba kathi undaba kusuye naye like igame bengavumi for yena under pressure untwana and usesemncane for ukuthi ungafika ileague seyaphela bese umfaka igameni so relaxa uqhubeke ngeline up yakho uzolungisa kahle ngepreseason ipreseason yeza maybe kusele almost 9 games 10 games 9 games okay qhubeka ngeline up yakho sibone ukuthi senzani masiluzile ileague isfine siluzile mara
siluze kanjani
Good point, Pagania. The fact that you're saying Spumile go careful, there's no need to rest players. And then who was your standout performer today?
Okay.
Yeah.
umbatha quality and umbonile ukuthi umbatha uqeda igame alimele from first half umbatha ukhawathekile mara ngoba uyazi ukuthi iwini sidinga kangakanani Dosai angaphumanga even naye ucoach uyabona manje sekulethe ukuthi angakhipha umbatha like uyenza ngayo ugcine nini ukubona umbatha adlale 90 minutes umbatha beyalibele amshintsha njalo last week umbatha udlale 90 today umbatha udlale 90 alimela njalo okay ngine question ngocoach wami last week ku game Richards Bay ku interview yakhe uthe yena ubonile ukuthi uyenza imistake enkulu ngokushintsha uTito uthe mashintsha uTito igame yabalance lamajita wasi-attacker nyamhlanje kuze kanjani ukuthi uTito loyo ambeke ebenchini lo muntu ambonile ukuthi uyasinika something mamqalisile igame or mase groundini ikhona into asinika yona uTito nyamhlanje kuze kanjani ukuthi ambeke ebenchini azomfaka last 10 minutes kwenzakalani okay uyambona uTito uyangena sizamile ukuthi sidlale ngoba angisho ukuthi besingadlali besidlala mara besichesa igame njalo masibamba ibhola sigijimisa igame mara asazi ukuthi senzani mara mangena uTito kubonakala ukuthi I think first touch yakhe or second touch yakhe washaya isquare ball umfukeni la azama khona ukuheader like lo muntu ubonisa ukuthi khona something ayifundayo ase benchini or ase groundini uTito uyakhona ukuthi asiwinele igame noma angadlali angaliphathanga ibhola uyingozi lo muntu noma angaphathanga ibhola.
Danko Makhawula.
All right, no thanks Pagania. That's in Chebe Mapagania. Bopa.
Bopha.